comfortable. They ask me what do I slit my wrist for. I wonder if they'll understand the pain I'm feeling can't be pretend. Oh, I'm not asking for attention. Oh, I just need someone who'll love me when I'm worthless, who'll still want me when I'm not at my best. Someone who cares enough to just listen. Listen to what I have to say. Feel all the feels I've been feeling. Love someone like there is no tomorrow. Depression is not just a phase, it's a